On November 30th, in Sumatra, Indonesia, a fascinating natural event occurred at the Kampar River. This phenomenon, known as Bona, involved waves traveling up to 130 kilometers inland along the river, reaching heights of 6 meters and speeds of about 40 kilometers per hour. The waves reached the first buildings in the village. They could sweep away anything in their path. Without the protective walls, this area would be devastated over time by the water. Bona waves are especially dangerous during the rainy season. Locals fear they could capsize boats and flood many areas in the village. Gippsland is a rural region in Victoria, Australia.